We're going to demonstrate homework games. Homework games are otherwise explained as an individual writing task assigned by the teacher. Once assigned, the student can commence the game themselves, allowing them to complete the task in class or at home. One thing to know before assigning homework is that you need to have created a class. This only takes a couple of minutes. Visit our classes page to see a short demonstration video on how to do this. I'll start by finding a prompt. You can use any prompt for homework. In this case, I'll create a new prompt. We've been given a random prompt which I'm happy to use. The prompt and all the game settings are fully customizable. To learn more, watch this short tutorial video. I'll name my prompt and select Create. By the way, every time you create a prompt or use one from Discover, it will save in My Prompts, which you can find in My Games, so that you can reuse that prompt over and over. On this screen, we have the option to assign homework. I'll select it, use the drop-down menu to select my class that I previously created. My class has appeared. I can use the checkbox to specify which students will receive this writing task. A quick tip, if you prefer to assign differentiated tasks, create multiple classes that align to your differentiation groups and then assign those groups different prompts. I'll move on from here. When ready, select Assign Games. As you can see here, this task has now been assigned to 6 students and will be available now for those students. Shortly I'll show you what the student sees, but first I'll go to the classes page to grab one of my student codes so I can enter that account. I'll select the class and I'll copy one of these student codes. Let's see what the student sees. I'm on the home page. I'll go to log in as a student, enter that student code, and we can see here that the homework game has appeared, so I can select it. I can select my avatar, and when I'm ready, select Start. This will commence the game. From here we're on rails. The student cannot pause the game or restart it. They must complete it in one sitting, and as an added benefit, Frankenstories blocks the use of copy and paste, giving you more comfort that each student's work is their own. The game will continue in rounds like normal. However, because this is a single player activity, there are no voting rounds. This is great for writing practice with the small added motivation of timed rounds. When the student has completed their game, as has occurred here, it will immediately appear for the teacher to review. I'll go back to the teacher view. I'll select My Games. We can go to Homework. This is showing me the homework game that was assigned. I'll select it, select my class. There we see the one student that has completed their homework. I can select it to go and review it. This shows me the student's writing, which I can review. So that's how you can assign homework or individual writing tasks in Frankenstories.